Today we're going to make mango basundi. We keep boiling the milk and we keep pushing away the malai. Mix this well till the sugar is nicely dissolved. Taking this mango pulp. So little by little I'm going to add and mix it with this. Mango basundi. Every day you should be loving it. Namaste, Salam Walaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at vareva.com. Today we're going to make mango basundi, which is very simple. There are various methods we can do it. But in a bigger kadai, what we do is we boil the milk. We keep boiling the milk and we keep pushing away the malai. This is one way the entire thing will start getting thicker. So the reason why we push away the malai, we're going to give the space for the milk to evaporate. You need to be stirring at the bottom also. Reduce this to a consistency where this will become thick. And especially today I'm going to use mango pulp, and this is a store-bought mango pulp, the canned ones, and this is already thick. So once this is thick, you mix it, you let it cool down, you will have a very nice basundi. But a lot of people use various tricks. They do not want to spend a lot of time, reducing the milk. So what they do is they use, condensed milk, and even if you have grated milk Khoya, you can mix it and make it much faster. But you can continuously reduce. That is when you get good basundi. You can also use milk powder. If you take 100 grams of milk powder, add 1 teaspoon of ghee to it, mix it, and slightly microwave it so that the everything gets well done, and then slowly incorporate into this milk. I'm going to reduce this, and also in this we can add nuts. And nuts, a lot of people prefer to add raw. So here I've got almonds and also I've got cashew nut, but I'm going to add it little later. So till that time, you reduce this milk to half the quantity. Nuts need to be cooked, so I'm adding the cashew nut. I'm going to add pistachio, and also I'm going to add almond. These things need to cook in a basundi. People make different kinds of basundi, but here I love it with nuts. Let this slowly cook, but once this gets thickened, it will get burnt at bottom. Here I'm going to show you a very simple way. In fact, I can just mix mango pulp in this and my basundi will be ready. But here, what I'm doing, I'm just taking this mango pulp, putting in a bowl. In this, I'm going to add Khoya, which has been grated. If you have it, you do it. Otherwise, you can add directly into this. I'm just going to mix this. Now, if you see, it is grainy, but after some time, this will get nicely mixed up. In this, add cardamom powder, and also just add some saffron. This saffron, I love it. I love the flavor, and even with the combination of mango, this will taste good. So first, keep mixing till this is nicely dissolve, and in fact you can put in the microwave for just 1 minute and then mix it well. It will mix up much faster. In this we're going to add sugar, and be careful, this is a lot of sugar. I'm not going to add entire thing because the mango pulp itself has sugar added, so I'm just going to be careful. I just want this sugar to be dissolved. I don't want it to cook any further. Mix this well till the sugar is nicely dissolved. Here I've got this mango pulp and thing very nicely mixed, and this one also I don't need to cook any further. This is all done. So if you add any of the sourness to the milk, it will curdle, but this is at a point it cannot curdle any further. The sugar is nicely mixed, so little by little I'm going to add and mix it with this. Perfect. Mango basundi will be ready, and we're going to let this cool down. This has to be served nice, little bit cold, and it will be tasting good. Of course, I like hot basundi, and even in a glass of milk I add little bit basundi and drink, but that is for another day. So here, just mix all of this, and then your mango basundi is ready. With all these nuts, everything, this is perfectly ready. The fruit, you can make various kinds of basundis, the chiku basundi, guava basundi, and many of the fruits you can do it. Serve it, it will be super tasty. I think this thickness is best for room temperature, but if this put in the refrigerator, it will kind of thicken, but that's okay. What I love to do is, in the evening, when I go back home, relax, switch on the TV, get this on the bed, and eat little by little, little by little. I'm crazy about milk sweets, and this mango basundi is super delicious. So make it, and here, if you want, you can add some more nuts on this, but I'm good with this. Dear friends, make it and you will enjoy life. Life means is to eat good food, and every day you should be loving it. The nuts should be nicely boiled. That's when they will get a nice flavor, and sugar is just right. I added very little and this is good. My God, I'm so selfish with the sweet. I want to eat all by myself and enjoy it. Dear friends, make it, eat it and keep saying Vareva, because this is just out of the world.